This particular slide pretty much covers up your 50% of the chapter. What is that we are looking at? See, we have seen that given any charge, right? So we are looking at this is your source charge and that's your test charge. In this case, this is the other charge. So we know that it will experience force, right? In different set of direction depending on the distance and all of that. Agree? Further, if it's further away, the force will reduce and the direction is pointing from the line joining the center to the center and so on and so forth. Now, if I want to understand what kind of force, what is the strength at a particular point, if I want to understand that, I can do it in two ways. I can either go with a vector quantity, that is your electrical field, or I have one more quantity called as electrical potential, which is a scalar quantity. Again, there are two ways that I can study the strength of an electrical field. One is a vector quantity called as electrical field. Another is your scalar quantity called as electric potential. Okay, guys. Now, what is this electrical potential? Electric potential as a definition is an idea wherein you get a positive charge, that to 1 coulomb of positive charge. We kind of do a work and get it to point A. That is the potential energy at point A. Getting a charge from infinity to point A, the work that we do is your electrical potential at point A. Now, what if we don't have 1 coulomb of charge? What if we get some q coulomb of charge? Then it's called as electrical potential energy. Same funda, we're getting a charge from infinity, but in this case it is q coulomb. Okay, in this case it is q coulomb. And we do certain work getting it to point A. And in this case, since it's not 1 coulomb, it is given a different name known as electrical potential energy. Now, what if we move the positive charge, but it's not from infinity, it's some nearby places? Well, if we move a charge from nearby places, it is given a name, and that name is your electrical potential difference, which you guys have generally heard, voltage. The other name for electrical potential difference is voltage. So what is voltage? Same funda, just that the other point is nearby. Point A, in this case we are moving the charge from point A to point B. Here we have moved from infinity to point A. So just a name that I've changed. But we are moving a positive charge, which is 1 coulomb from point A to point B. So this would be the potential difference between A and B. So many people get confused with this. It's not that hard, provided you guys pretty much keep this slide in mind. Conceptually, it's not too hard. We're just doing work. On what from where is what you guys have to be clear with. Okay, guys. So this is what you guys have to know for this entire chapter. And if you guys want it in words, it's over here. Same thing, but I'm not going to explain it. I have to copy that and copy this as well.